Thank you, Simon. Jamaica's senior reggae girls were handed the key to the city of Montego Bay as they began their three-day island-wide celebration to mark their historic Women's World Cup qualification. The girls were presented with the key by Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, during their motorcade through the city. The team's leading goal scorer and RGR Sportswoman of the Year nominee, Khadija Shaw, was naturally elated for the gesture.
I mean, we're excited, we feel great for what Montego Bay has given to us, We went to the CONCACAF round and we knew what we had to do to get ourselves to the World Cup. So we just went out there and just did what we had to do. And when we heard that Montego Bay was gonna host us, we were just so excited.
Defender Lawrence Silver and midfielder Marlo Sweatman were happy to get an opportunity to parade through the streets of Montego Bay.
I mean, it's amazing to be in a new place. We haven't been here as a team. We've always been in Kingston, so it's nice to come to Montego Bay. And I have never been here, so it's really exciting for me. And everybody's amazing.
It makes us feel very amazing to see that the whole country of Jamaica is behind us, especially Montego Bay to give us the keys to the city is just unreal. It's a great pleasure.
The girls will have a meet and greet session with fans and the media on Sunday at the Jamaica Pegasus.